Right, I went ahead one more look at the Peak Design Everyday Sling 5-liter. I was thinking about this yesterday evening after that other video I posted with the Z7 and briefly mentioned this bag, but I've got it packed where I think it would work for me if I just do you know, something like a cruise. So a typical situation, if I'm going on a cruise and I just want to take something simple, I don't want to have too much luggage, you know, basically just have the normal luggage, suitcase and so on, and then just one small camera bag, so with probably one or at the most two lenses. So I think this would work for that. And right now I've got the 24-70 f4 lens attached to the Z7, so I'll just open it up and show you what I've got in here. And this would probably be just fine for me for a trip like that. I probably would prefer to have like a 24-120, something like, you know, a lens like that. And if I needed it, I could probably rearrange it and move those organizers around in there and still fit that in there. So just on the outside pocket. Don't know if I would really take it, but I've got a B+W 72mm circular polarizer. Have the lens cloth in there. Definitely take one of those everywhere I go. And an extra battery, official $65 Nikon battery. I only need one extra battery, so I'm not going to buy the cheap ones. Just buy the official ENL15B, is it? Yeah. And so that's it for that. Opening up the main compartment now. So I've got, I didn't normally like to have it this way, so an extra lens cloth there. Just drop this exposure down. Okay. So I've got the Z7 kind of like in just kind of top down. I normally don't like to do that. I usually like to have it on its side, so when I reach in I just grab the grip and pull it out, but this is kind of okay too. And this is packed just for travel, so obviously when I'm there I'd have it out all the time. So I'd have the Z7 in the middle, 24-70 on there. Then on the side here, let's say you had something like, I don't have one, but let's say you had a 50mm f1.8 lens, G lens from Nikon. You could probably fit that on the bottom. So then I've got the FTZ adapter on this top part of this little shelf here that you can make. Of course, you know, some of these dividers with Peak Design, you get those little half of it kind of folds down to make this little shelf, but you could probably stick a 50mm lens down in there, and you know, that just kind of goes down like that. And on the other side, this little brush for the camera for cleaning. The strap, it's Peak Design Slide Light, and the excuse me, this little USB charger that Nikon gives you. They actually give you this. It's a USB-C on one side, and it's permanently attached, it appears. And they also give you this and the normal charger for the ENL15 batteries. So you get two chargers with it, one for the battery and one if you want to excuse me, charge in the camera, the battery in the camera. And this is a let's look at the specs. 5 volt, 3 amp, 15 watt. So voltage times amps equals watts. So 15 watt charger. You could probably use a really good USB charger, something that's got more power as far as the amperage and wattage it's going to put out, but of course it's always going to be 5 volts. But if you use a really cheap small one for like your phone, it might just take forever. It'd work, but it's just going to take a long time to charge your camera, so that's probably why they give you this one. So that's really it. That's everything I've got in there, and I think that would do it if I just needed this for something like a cruise excuse me again, or a day trip, something like that. All this stuff would fit in there just fine. And again, the Z7 is a full frame camera, so you know, you're going to be kind of limited on space, and especially if you want to take more lenses. Just depends on what you want to take. You can reorganize these a little bit and get more room. But yeah, I think, like I said in that other video, I have the Think Tank mirrorless mover i30 or 30i, whatever it is, and it gives me quite a bit more room. I think they could have done a little better if they would have made this a little more of a rectangle shape instead of this part that curves in. You kind of lose a little space on the sides because of that. So anyway, that's it. That'll work for me, I think. All right, thanks for watching.